Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Exodus wallet desktop using an easy method. First, navigate to the official Exodus website. It's crucial to download the application directly from their site to ensure authenticity and security. Once there, select the appropriate version for your computer's operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Double-check the download link before clicking to avoid any malicious software. This initial step is vital for a secure setup. After downloading, locate the installer file, usually found in your Downloads folder. Double-click it to start the installation. The process is straightforward, typically involving just a few clicks to accept terms and choose an installation location. Once the installation finishes, you can launch the Exodus application. It might create a desktop shortcut for easy access. This step gets you ready to interact with your new wallet. Upon opening Exodus for the first time, your wallet is automatically generated. There's no need to create an account manually. The most critical step now is to secure your funds. Go to the backup section in the settings. Here, you will find your 12-word secret recovery phrase. Write this down precisely and store it in a very secure offline location. Also, set a robust password to protect your wallet from unauthorized access. This phrase is your ultimate key. With your wallet set up and secured, you're ready to fund it. To receive cryptocurrency, select the asset you want, then find your unique receiving address. Copy this address and use it to send funds from another wallet or an exchange. Exodus also offers an integrated exchange feature, allowing you to swap between over 300 different cryptocurrencies directly within the application. You can easily track your portfolio's value and performance right from the main dashboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.